5 skincare items that you need in your skincare routine for good skin. We're going to start with a cleanser. This is from Clarins. This is a really nice cleanser. It's hydrating. It foams up. The smell on this is really nice. And I always say go with a very gentle cleanser, something that's not going to strip your natural oils. It's good for all skin types, and it has a lot of plant extracts in it. That's one thing that I love about Clarins is they try to stay as natural as possible, but still are effective products. This is such a good cleanser though, and they even have travel sizes. The second thing you're gonna need to incorporate into your skincare is a softening lotion. This one is from Estee Lauder. I love this one. You can use this with a cotton pad or without a cotton pad. So the way I use this is I'll place it in the palm of my hands. I put it all over, and then I press all over my face, neck, and décolleté. This is so lightweight. It smells good. It's an introduction into moisturizing your skin after you've cleansed. A softening lotion is really good for somebody that has dry skin. I get a lot of questions on, what do I do? My skin is dry. And the first question I ask is, are you using a softening lotion? If they say no, I say incorporate this into their skincare routine. It is it's game changing for your skin. So softening lotion is the second thing you need for good skin. The third thing that you'll need is a serum. I love the Clarins serum. There's a few other serums that I use as well, but if I'm just needing a serum to help with my skin's health, for texture, tone, pores, to make it look good, I use a serum. This one is the Clarins Double Serum. This is one that double pumps. Warning, it does pump out really fast, but this smells so good. It has turmeric, it has plant extracts in here, it has vitamins. It's like the ultimate healthy skin serum for all ages. I don't even want to waste this. I want to put it on my neck. It's so yummy. So this serum is everything. It's well worth the money. You do 1 pump in the morning, 1 pump at night. I know they say use 2 pumps, but I'm a little stingy, and at least I'm getting some of it on. And if you spread it like this, press it on, you're going to be able to push it around and move it more along, get more ground. The fourth thing that you need in your skincare routine is an eye cream. This is the Re-Nutriv Ultimate Diamond Eye Cream. I like to place it between my fingertips. I love that it has a pump because I can control how much I use, which is like half a pump, and I'm not digging my finger into a jar, although I will dig my finger into a jar for an eye cream. The way you use this, spread it within your fingertips, the little ring fingers, and you're gonna glide on. You're gonna just glide, press it, glide, like that. It's just so lightweight, look at that. Here's a beauty tip. Start using an eye cream in your 20s. I don't care what the eye cream is, just start putting moisture around your eyes. It is so important. I started using an eye cream when I was 19. I really do feel like I've prevented a lot of aging by moisturizing specifically around the eyes with a specific product like an eye cream. So start an eye cream in your 20s. This is for everybody, not just women, but men as well. The fifth item you'll need is a moisturizer, a good moisturizer that's hydrating, it's moisturizing, it helps with pores and texture. There's so many different types of moisturizers. This one is by Lancôme. I use this, you can see how much I've used. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. I love the texture and feel on this. This is a moisturizer that I can use day and night, although I alternate, but a good moisturizer is really important for you to have really good skin. I know I said 5 skincare items to have good skin, but in addition to that, a good sunscreen. Sunscreens are really important to help prevent aging. It protects your skin from the environment. It protects your skin. If it has antioxidants in there, it's even better. So make sure to have a good sunscreen as well. And there you have it, 5 skincare items that you need for good skin and a good skincare routine. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the skincare routine, your top 5 items you need for good skin. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. I will see you guys in the next video.